It is finally time to introduce every team competing in the 20-team Theme League. All new teams will be competing as well, so we're about to find out who will win. This is the first heat. We have 3 newcomers here. The board is weaker than the other old ones. The new ones are Chaotic from Team Mayhem, Tasman from the Oceans, and Buzz from the Honeybees. Can any of them advance in this first heat? Top 3 move on. And the Honeybees in front, and they will advance with the 2 veterans. Oh, Oceans squeaked by to get final point order, but the Honeybees will advance. They'll be the one. Well, at least one newcomer will advance. Can the other newcomers advance? There's 2 in this one. No, 3. Frost from the Grand Glaciers, Race from the Golden Races, Billy from Green Ducks. We have Sweet from Sweet and Sours, and of course we have Coca from Chocolate Blast. And Sweet Sours in front, and he wants the Grand Glacier and Chocolate Blast at the end. Squeaked by Sweet Sours, Grand Glaciers, and the Chocolate Blast are all moving on. Green Ducks we hear will get the best of the West right now. I mean, they won't advance anymore. But good finish, Nugget Turner. Dragoon. We have Lava from Lava Walkers. We have Cool from Reflections, and Love, the captain of Lovebirds. And Reflections and Lava Walkers in front, and they will both birds with the Lovebirds. So that's 5 newcomers. Wow, the newcomers on freaking fire right now. But now we got 2 Taste from the Ketchups. We have Misto from Misty Mystics. We have Limey from the Green Limes. And of course, everyone's favorite Cobra from Flaming Cobras. And what? And that will be the Green Limes moving on. Which means both of our newcomers are out. Now we'll finish in the bottom basement. But now, who will go to the next round? Can it be 2, Buzz, Sweet, or Limey? Limey! And Sweet will both advance. The Honeybees will be out. That's going to be a bottom basement for the first event for the Honeybees. Bolter, Cool, Frost, and Friday. And the Reflections move on? No! All the weekdays, they don't finish! Bodies and Grand Glaciers can 100% turn down for that strive. They're 10th place so far for the Honeybees. Can they get 2 more spots? Into 8th. Oh, sign game. Get a bit bashed up there, but now. Coca. Can Coca and Lava move on? Lava will not! But Chocolate Blast came out of nowhere. And they will take, which means Honeybees will get 8th. Which is a qualification right now. Now, all top 6 will make it. Top 3 will move on. A Chocolate Blast! Always! So Boldies will get 4. Limey in 3rd. And of course, Sweet in 6th. But now, who's getting the gold medal? And it is Chocolate Blast! The newcomer! Starts number 1 here today. Chocolate Blast will win the first event of this showdown or Sea League. We'll be back again for the elimination race to see if Chocolate Blast can do it again. But let's see if any of our other newcomers can win.